What's going on?
Ding, ding.
So that when I bring him out, you won't get scared because you know exactly how he looks like, right? Now, listen. What? What? No, don't get confused. This is not yet the puppet. This is just a sketch of the puppet. So when I bring him out, nobody gets scared, alright? Now listen. What? The eyes are moving. Oh, you mean when Tito Wanlu's not looking, the eyes are moving? I need to see this. So when you see the eyes move, you shout so I can see, alright? Just shout so... Now? Yeah! Not moving. When you see the eyes move, you just shout so Tito Wan... Now? Yeah! Okay, I think you're seeing things. The picture cannot possibly move. It's just a sketch. No, it's just something I drew, remember? Now, what? Yeah. Gulat naman ako sa... Nicolo, say hello.
Hello.
Louder.
Hello.
Hey, tell everybody your name.
My name is Nicolo.
How old are you?
6 years old.
How old are you?
6.
What do you want to be?
7.
You go to school?
Uh-huh.
Can you count 1 to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Nicolo, try it again. Count 1 to 10.
1 more, me, more, 9. Nick, Nenen, 8, 9, 9.
What do you want to tell everybody here?
Oh, Nick, no, 8, O, I.
Ano yun?
Please try the 8, O, I.
Hindi na yung maintindihan eh. What were you trying to tell everyone?
Oh, please go inside the Daewoo bus.
Because
It's very comfortable and it's very safe.
the bus. Did you try it earlier?
Now, later.
Alright. Now, before I bring you out of your suitcase, first say goodbye.
I can't see.
You don't have to see anything. Say goodbye. I'll bring you out of your suitcase. Say goodbye.
What?
Say goodbye.
What?
Forget the drawing, everyone. Let me get the real one.